Hello, my name is Lana and today I'm gonna review and unbox NatureBox. This box costs $19.99 a month and it's a snack subscription box which includes 5 different snacks, and you can customize them. You can choose which snacks you want, what kind of nuts you want, and I really like this box. And I'm pretty hungry though. So let's look inside. Okay, this box comes with a card saying about its Halloween issue, about their new snacks. Pumpkin spice. Okay, here's a card saying what kind of snacks inside of my box. And let's look inside. Okay, this is Sriracha roasted cashews. I love this snack. I got this snack in my last month box, so I'll order it again because I love it. It's just perfectly spicy in my opinion. Last time, I think I finished it, or me and my husband finished it in 2 days. Just after 2 days, this 4-ounce bag was gone. Really good one. It's hot. Okay, next one is chocolate quinoa granola. It's interesting. Let's see. Looks like this. Very crunchy. And it's not sweet. I won't say it's very sweet. Just not just a bit chocolate taste. Oh wow. It's a pretty big bag. I like this snack. Next one is blueberry Nom Noms. It's mini blueberry flavored oat cookies. Okay, they look like this cookies. There are not so much cookies inside. I think it's like 5 cookies total, like this size. So let me try a piece. So it's like oatmeal cookie with a hint of blueberry. I wish there were more cookies inside, but the bag is pretty heavy. Oh my god, this snack looks so good. Seaweed rice puffs. It's rice crackers with seaweed and soy sauce. Oh my god, I have to try it. Oh wow. Look like this. It reminds me about sushi. So crunchy. And seaweed. Taste of seaweed. Such a good. Oh my god, I love this snack. And the last one is Big Island Pinapple. Dried pineapple rings. I love pineapple. I like fresh pineapple. I can eat it forever. They just always make my lips feel kind of funny. There are total like 7 rings inside. Look like this. I can eat pineapple in any kind. Dry pineapple, fresh pineapple, canned pineapple, pineapple juice. Oh my god. Okay, this was my NatureBox for this month. Oh, it's so good. And if you want, you can get this box for $10. So that's 50% off. And I will include this code down below in my description. So you can try this box too by yourself and see if you like it. I really like it, and especially this month box, all snacks which I choose, I'm gonna enjoy them. Maybe I'm gonna finish them very, very soon. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and let me know which is your favorite snack. Maybe I will discover some snack which you tried and I didn't try. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Stay healthy guys, bye!